Anybody else? Look at this. I've never seen a gummy play button before. Dude, is this new? Did they give this to anybody? I've never seen this before. This is literally a gummy play button. Look at this. Dude, I might be one of the first people to have a gummy play button. This looks kind of like PewDiePie's Ruby reward or whatever. I'm taking it out of this. This looks so sick. Dude, it's literally just a giant...
We can do a little bit of a play button. What did I tell you guys? And then once you're done, you just wedge it on in there because it's foam, you big dummy. Heck guys, if you want to, you can put all the glass pieces in there, make it look a bit more sparkly. I feel so alive. I feel so alive.
Look at this, cops. They 3D printed the YouTube play button, just like it says over there. The YouTube play button. And they have a congratulations for surpassing 3 million subscribers, just like on the YouTube thing, and it's just awesome. I'm definitely gonna keep this in my room for the rest of my life. It's
So as you can see guys, the chocolate bars come out looking really, really good. And the faster you pour the chocolate and the faster you can get it to settle, the less of the pour lines you're gonna see. If you wanna go one step further, why not wrap it with aluminum foil?
Congratulations, PewDiePie, 50 million subscribers. So it has my YouTube logo, and the brofist is coming out of it. It looks fucking awesome. What if I drop it and break it? That'd be... Let's not do that. Oh my god. There it is. Oh yeah. Oh, it's so heavy. I'm so scared of dropping.